In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wix to QuickBooks 2026. This is a very simple setup, and the good news is that you can usually get it done in just a few moments once you know where to look. If you use Wix for your website and QuickBooks for your accounting, connecting the two can help streamline your workflow and make it easier to keep your business tools working together. To get started, open your Wix site editor so you're on the main editing screen. Once you're there, look toward the top left area of the editor. You'll want to click Add. This is where Wix keeps the tools, features, and extra components you can place into your site. After you click Add, a menu will appear with different categories. In that menu, go ahead and click Elements. This section gives you access to items and integrations you can add to your website setup. Take your time here and make sure you're in the correct panel before moving on. Next, use the search bar and type in QuickBooks. Searching directly is the fastest way to find the integration without needing to scroll through a long list of options. Once the search results appear, look for the app that connects QuickBooks. When you find the correct QuickBooks connection app, select it. This is the key step because choosing the right app is what begins the connection between Wix and QuickBooks. In most cases, Wix will guide you through the rest of the setup from there, so just follow the on-screen prompts carefully if they appear. And that's it. Once you've selected the QuickBooks connection app, you've completed the core process of connecting Wix to QuickBooks inside the editor. A quick tip before you finish: make sure you're choosing the official or most relevant QuickBooks app shown in the results, especially if multiple options appear. That can help you avoid confusion and make sure the integration works the way you expect. So again, the process is simple. Go to the top left, click Add, click Elements, search for QuickBooks, and then select the app that connects QuickBooks. If you follow those steps carefully, you should be able to get everything started without any trouble. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.